Hey, what's going on, guys? Arthur Early here, aka Heisenberg. Back at you Saturday night, late night. What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing? What I'm going to do right now is just wait for a couple of people to hop on, and we're going to get right into it, guys. So, how was everybody's Saturday? I hope it was it's a beautiful day over here in New York. Do me a favor, comment below, tell me where you're from. And what you did today on this beautiful day. Gorgeous. First really, really nice day we had all week long. It's been raining all week here in New York. All right. So listen, guys, I'm going to just jump right into it. Wait for some people to hop on. I'm going to jump into it. 10 things that you need to do in your business, that you need to drop in your business in order to become successful. Yo, what up, Mac? What's going on? All right. So the first thing is you need to drop the sense of entitlement. All right. So what? You joined a biz opportunity. All right. I should be successful now because I'm an entrepreneur. Listen, here's the deal, guys. Nobody owes you shit. Straight up. Nobody owes you anything. All right. No one is entitled to have success. You have to earn it. All right. You have to earn your success. You got to go out and get shit done. So the first thing is drop the sense of entitlement. The second thing is drop stressing. All right, listen, stress, we all have stress. Stress is a part of our lives. Starting a business is stressful. So minimize the way you think about stress. All right, to eliminate the stress. Hanging around the right people. Hey, what's going on, Tommy? Hanging around the right people will help you reduce your stress levels. If you're hanging out with the wrong people, they're going to give you the wrong advice, and it's going to have you stressing. So stop hanging out with the wrong people. Change your circle, and there you go. What's going on, Frankie? How you doing? Number 3 is drop the negativity. As you guys know, those of you that follow me know that I'm a positive person, and I'm really not down with that negative bullshit, right? So just stop the negativity. Find a positive mindset. All right. Look for the positive in everything that you do. Sometimes we get a negative mindset on things that haven't even happened yet. Right. What's going on, Jamil? This is something that you're gonna have to teach yourself how to do. You're gonna have to become self-aware. When you start becoming negative and start talking negative and start thinking negative, you're going to have to change your mindset and start, changing that negative into a positive. All right, so number 3 is drop the negativity. Number 4 is drop the comparisons. A lot of time in business, we compare ourselves to other people that are doing better than us. I have a lot of friends, a couple of are you on this live right now, that are doing better than I am in this marketing business, right? Or in the automobile industry, But I can't compare myself to them, right? Because if I do that, sometimes that'll just, once again, going back to the stressing, that'll stress me out, and you don't want to do that. Don't get stuck in the mindset of I can't, right? A lot of people follow that just started, get to that mindset, but you have to understand the people that they're comparing themselves to, they started from somewhere, right? We all have a day one, right? We all started from somewhere. They've been doing it for years, guys. If you're just starting out in any business, just take it day by day, right? It's easy. If they can do it, you can do it, right? It's very simple. If they got it done, you can get it done. As long as, like I said, you stay positive and you don't really stress out that much. So that was number 4. Don't get caught up with the comparisons. Number 5 is one that I had struggled with sometimes myself, and that's drop the time management issues. Time management sometimes gets us in trouble Listen, we all have things to do. We all have responsibilities, guys, right? Uh, for those of you that are working and trying to build your business at the same time, we have responsibilities to our families, of course. We have responsibilities to our employers, right? But we all have the same 24 hours a day, right? Take advantage of the time that we have and work your business the correct way. And another thing is, guys, scrolling on Facebook is not work, right? Don't try to convince yourself that you're working when you're really not, and and you're just scrolling through people's pages there. That's not work. That's just that's once again fucking around with your time, right? So let's drop the time management issues. Number 6, drop the impatience. Impatience is key to drop the impatience, right? This is a microwave society, bro. Everybody wants things done now. Now. I want success now. I want money now. I want to build a multi-million-dollar business now. We can't have that, okay? Learn to be patient, okay, with yourselves, all right? Because if you don't learn to be patient with yourself, yo, what up, Meech? If you don't learn to be patient with yourself, you're going to end up quitting. That's for anything that you do. Once you get into something, you're going to learn what it is that you're getting into. Be patient, because if you're not patient, you're going to get frustrated and you're going to end up quitting, right? This goes for any business opportunity that you first get into. It happens. Just be patient, learn patience, and continue to rock. Number 7, drop the lazy attitude, guys. Listen, sometimes from time to time we get lazy. I get lazy. It is what it is. Drop the lazy attitude. All right. You guys know when you need to get things done. You know when you get that feeling. All right. We have that feeling when we need to get shit done. Like, yo, you're sitting there, like, whatever, doing whatever, being lazy. You're like, yo, I should really probably be doing this thing, or I probably shouldn't be watching a Netflix marathon or something like that, right? Be proactive. Drop the lazy attitude. When you get that little feeling of wanting to get up and do things, just do it. Get shit done, right? So number 7 is drop the lazy attitude. All right. For those of you that are watching on YouTube right now, just once again, if you like what I'm saying and it makes sense, subscribe. Go ahead and hit that bell. Subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you. All right. Number 8 is drop the ungrateful attitude. All right. Be grateful for everything that you have. I don't care, even if it's not under the right circumstances. Listen, guys, as marketers these days, we have the internet, all right? 20 years ago, people weren't as fortunate and as we are today, right? They used to have the hotel meetings, the 3-way calls. Listen, I'm not saying that any of that's bad. It's still effective. It still works. But we have technology at our hands. Be grateful. Use it. It's very, very... it's fortunate to have. Be grateful for it, guys. You could look up anything these days within 20 seconds and find the answer to pretty much anything out there. So be grateful, all right? Don't have that ungrateful attitude, that mindset, guys. I'm just trying to sit here. I'm trying to encourage you guys, all right? So that was number 8. Drop the ungrateful mindset. Number 9, all right, drop the I can't attitude. Now, I kind of touched on this earlier with the laziness. Drop the laziness, right? Take action, guys. I just want to let you know, guys, right now that you can do it. Anything that you put your mind to, you can do. If you had an idea or a thought of something, research, and just take action. It's very, very important that you take action and drop the I can't attitude. Listen, you're going to come to a point in your business or in your life where there's going to be hurdles, there's going to be curves in the road. It ain't going to be a straight line. There's going to be some hurdles. There's going to be some, hiccups, what have you. But you gotta continue. You just gotta, you know what I'm saying? Continue, be consistent, take action, right? Listen, you learned how to walk, right? Think about it. If you gave up, you wouldn't learn how to walk. You learned how to drive, right? For those of you that drive, all of us walk. For those of you that drive, you learned how to drive. Anything that you put your mind to, guys, I just want to let you know, you can do it. All right? So that was number 9. Drop the I can't attitude. Number 10, drop the fucking excuses, guys. Straight up. Straight up. I had a gym teacher back in the day that used to say, excuses are like assholes. Everyone has one, and they all stink. I'll never forget that. That was pretty funny. But anyway, listen. Drop the excuses, guys. Take ownership of everything that you do in your life. All right. If you're not getting results in your business, guess what? Look no further than yourself. It all starts with you, and you have to understand that. All right. Listen, guys. I do this for those of you who trying to grow a business that haven't had a business, that are getting into an opportunity or whatever it is, and you have any one of these things that you're doing, whether it be I can't, whether you're lazy, whether you're ungrateful. I don't really care what it is, but you have to understand that you can do that. Stan, my man, what's going on? Marissa, how is everything going? You guys can do it. It can be done. Once again, don't ever let anybody tell you that you can't do something. Don't let anybody's opinion of you be your reality. And that's a very, very powerful statement. Once again, guys, if any of this makes sense to you, go ahead and give me some thumbs up, give me some hearts. All right? If this resonates with you, if any of these 10 steps make sense to you, for those of you that are watching on my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. I do videos once or twice a week. Same kind of thing. I give you points and tips in your business to go ahead and succeed. Because as you guys know, the people that have been following me, you know I love to see people succeed. It gives me joy to watch other people succeed, get to the top, and then take it from there. Listen, I appreciate you guys. Once again, like this video if it resonated with you, if it made sense to you, and share this video. All right, guys, listen, until my next live, I'll holla at you. Peace.